99% of people struggle with charisma, so I took a deep dive into the main reasons why your attempts haven't been successful. In this video, I'll reveal the solution, showing you the 3 key things that charismatic people excel at. I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide on how you can apply their strategies in your own life. By the end of this video, I'll share a crucial tip that ties all 3 elements together, ensuring you won't forget the essential details to become a more charismatic person. A few years ago, I came across someone who, by all definitions, was not very charismatic. Despite being a laid-back individual, he struggled to express his thoughts and opinions effectively, which led to people not showing much interest in him. He often kept to himself, but over time, he genuinely grew more confident and social with those around him. What I noticed was that he developed certain qualities that made others want to spend more time with him. As a result, he started forming friendships more easily than ever before. Having a good story makes you much more engaging than simply stating your thoughts directly. A well-told story adds depth to whatever topic you're discussing, while also providing relevant details that others can use in their conversations later. Storytelling is a crucial element in any conversation, and it's one of the most important traits of charismatic individuals. They seem to have this unique ability to start conversations effortlessly while still offering value to the other person. Rather than sticking to superficial small talk, they create meaningful interactions. After all, a great conversation opener can set the tone for a successful first impression. Now, let's talk about the 3 essential principles of charisma. Surprisingly, being highly extroverted isn't a requirement to be charismatic. What matters more is having a basic set of social skills that allow you to open up and remain authentic. It's important to avoid putting yourself in situations where you feel forced to fake charisma, as people can easily see through this, making the situation uncomfortable. Instead, try to find social settings that align with your interests. If loud parties and gatherings aren't your thing, consider visiting a quiet coffee shop or a record store to strike up a conversation. Sometimes the best conversations happen while waiting in line for a latte. The key takeaway here is that you shouldn't feel obligated to attend social events just to push yourself out of your comfort zone. No one wants to listen to someone who only talks about themselves. It makes others feel ignored. Unfortunately, many people tend to talk excessively, so the best way to navigate this is by simply listening. The next time you're having a conversation with someone, make a conscious decision to remain silent until they've finished speaking. This shows respect for the person you're talking to, and they'll begin to feel valued and appreciated. If you're genuinely interested in what they have to say, ask follow-up questions to keep the conversation going. A healthy friendship is built on mutual respect, where both people feel heard and acknowledged. Predictability can make a conversation feel dull. Why continue a conversation when you already know exactly how it's going to end? To avoid falling into the trap of small talk, ask intriguing and unexpected questions. These could range from, "What's your greatest achievement?" to, "What kind of books do you enjoy reading?" Any question that sparks genuine interest and excitement will help steer the conversation in a lively and fun direction. Asking thoughtful questions shows that you care about what the other person has to say. Once you start incorporating these unexpected questions into your conversations, you'll find yourself enjoying social interactions more than ever before. It's like a cheat code for having more exciting discussions. At the beginning of the video, I mentioned a crucial trick that ties everything together. And that trick is simple. Stop trying so hard. When working toward any goal, we often forget that the process is gradual and requires discipline. Becoming the person you want to be doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, patience, and self-discipline. Embracing the journey is what makes life enjoyable and gives you the opportunity to reflect on who you truly want to become. No matter how long or challenging the path to success may be, with a healthy mindset and clear goals, you can achieve the best version of yourself and your charisma.